Hey guys, welcome to Design Shorts. So this video is all about creating a flat shadow logo like this. So let's get started. Open Photoshop, create a new file. Now we have a background layer and we need to unlock this layer by double clicking on this lock icon. Press OK. Right, so now write your text using the text tool. Change the color according to you, like I need the black one. Align your text to the center. Now what we have to do is we need to use this text as a brush. Alright, and for that we need to create a new brush. Okay, so for that make sure only the layer of which you want to create a brush is visible. All other layers other than the text tool should not be visible. So hide those layers. Now go to edit menu and select define brush preset. Rename the layer Design 2. Okay, so now unhide the other layers and create a new layer. Select the brush tool and select the brush you have created. Alright, so here we have the brush exactly like the text. Right, now go to the brush properties and reduce the spacing to 1%. 1% is the lowest possible. Okay, so now select the pen tool, make sure the new layer is selected and make a path like this, and this path will be the direction of the shadow. Okay, and now change the foreground and the background layers to black and white. Okay, now the next step is to right click on the path, select stroke path and select the brush tool. Press OK and here we have the shadow. Alright, now right click on the path, delete the path as we no longer need this. Now reduce the opacity of the shadow like this and place the shadow below the design text. Okay, now sometimes you need to resize the text according to the shadow. Alright, so let me quickly do that. This is it. Okay, so we have aligned the text and it looks like this is the shadow of this text. Right, now we need a fading effect from this portion of the shadow. Right, for that create a mask on the shadow layer by clicking here. So we have a mask on this shadow. Now what you have to do is we need to select the gradient tool. Alright, and we need to make a line like this. Now you can see we have a fading effect. Right, you can adjust this fading effect according to you, like this. Alright, now we need a circle or any other shape you want for the logo base. Okay, select the shape layer, the shape you want, like I want the circle shape. Select the color of the shape you want, the stroke color if required, like I'll be using a dark blue color for the stroke. Now create a circle. Adjust it according to your needs. Okay, so this, and now rasterize the circle and place it below the shadow layer. Alright, And now what we can see is we have some extra part of the shadow that is coming out of the circle, right? Select both the layers, adjust the size, right? And now we need to remove this extra part of the shadow that is coming out of the circle, and for that you need to select the shape layer, select quick selection tool and select the circle. Right click on that and select inverse, and this selecting inverse makes a selection of every other thing except this circle. Alright, now we can say all the area is selected except this circle. Now go to the shadow layer, select the mask and press delete. Now the extra part of the shadow is gone, right? Now press Ctrl D to deselect the area, and now we have a flat shadow logo. So this is how you can create a flat shadow logo. You can completely customize it according to your needs. That's all about your creativity. Hit the like button if you like the video, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.